We're here at the beautiful Twin Lakes. We're on the viewing platform at the moment. Do the fernery. I'm not sure what that means, but it's not a furnace, is it? Welcome to Twin Lakes. You saw the view? You saw Karina nearly fall. You gotta be a bit careful. It is slippery because it's very mossy, so you walk on the side here instead for a bit. We're high up in the rainforest. And that's where we came from, all the way back down there. Now we go to the fernery. Whoa, yeah, it's very slippery. My big feet, I've got to take extra care. So, Twin Lakes Fernery. The BTLNP Fernery is a pilot project on the propagation of edible and medicinal ferns for local use of the conservation purposes. It is a joint project with the Balinsasayao Twin Lake Farmers Association, Sibulan University, Angelo King Center for Research and Environmental Management, and Central Mindanao University Central for Biodiversity Research and Extension in Mindanao. The project is funded and Foundation for the Philippines Environment. There we go. What is a fern? A fern is a non-flowering plant that possesses true roots, stems and complex leaves. It produces by spores which are attached to the leaves. The usual habitat of a fern are moist and wet environments. Sun ferns grown on trees and epiphytes. Epiphytes? I don't know if I'm saying that. There are about 1,100 species of ferns in the Philippines. Barcelona. More than 100 of these species are found in the Balinsasayao Twin Lakes Natural Park. They include the rare and endangered Alsophilia negrosiana and Ophiglosum pendulum. And Karina has found the biggest ant that she's ever seen. Oh wow, yeah. Huge. Oh, they're like spider ants. I think they're spider ants. Cool.
Look at the misty. So cool.
Yeah, the misty rain coming. Wow. So the ferns are in here for medicinal purposes. Oh, these are the little ferns then. I guess they have some medicinal properties. Not sure what, but maybe you smoke them, maybe you grind them. Not too sure. It's an extremely long ride up here. It took us 20 minutes to get up here, but it also took from where we're staying at the moment around about 45-minute ride. So it's about an hour and a half to get up here. It's currently started raining, so getting wet and wild. You know, the wonders of exploring the Philippines, guys. Oh, I love it. Never seen so much beautiful coloured leaves before. And the flowers, little flowers, so pretty. Wow. And the size of these leaves, humongous. And then this is the viewing deck and the viewing platform, where we will shelter from the rain a little bit. But my goodness, it's beautiful. I would love to camp here. Look at the colours, wow. They're like neon, fluorescent. So pretty. Oh, big spider as well. So yeah, the viewing platform here. I wonder if there's an abundance of fish in there. Look how misty it is. Probably came on a very windy, rainy day, but never mind. Mind you, at the moment here in Dumaguete it's very rainy. And now we take little baby steps, like Mama. Mama, if you're watching, we love you.
My baby steps.
My baby steps. My little baby steps with my huge feet. Oh my goodness, my big fat belly. Oh, why am I taking baby steps? I'll show you why. This is level that goes up the hill. So it's very downhill. Oh, it's even further downhill. Save our forest. They're doing a very good job of it, if I'm honest with you. Every day I supply oxygen for up to 4 people. Don't you think I'm worth saving? Yes. Yeah, we've gone down the long slope and now head on the cobblestones. And then we go further down. The lakes is just here. Through the tree canopy. Oh, there's people down there rafting, I think. Yeah, there's a boat. Right, looks very slippery. And here we are, guys, at the beautiful, majestic Twin Lakes.
Where's the twin?
I don't know. Maybe you ask them, where's the twin? Or maybe it's 2 lakes that are formed into one. So it's one.
Lake Danao, Lake Balinsasayao.
Oh.
Oh, Balinsasayao.
I worked in West Virginia a little bit.
I'm actually in that little sliver of Virginia where you can go north is the West Virginia, south is the